So what went wrong with my character? Well, if you look at this pose, one thing's for sure. But why did she topple over? What did I miss? Everything started nice and easy. I started with the line of action, one curved line for the main energy of a pose drawn before any anatomy. Okay, I occasionally mark the most emphasized limbs too, but I try to focus on the general pose first. Then I started building a simple pose skeleton. It can be as simple as a stick figure or a slightly more detailed one. I usually mark the shoulders and the hips, then add the stick legs and arms if I haven't already drawn them with the line of action before. And here's where things went wrong. I completely ignored the line of action and straightened it without realizing it. You know the saying, the shoemaker's children go barefoot? Well, apparently this cartoonist character was about to fall over. But I just kept drawing like nothing was wrong. Luckily, I caught the mistake later. I guess I should practice what I preach, so I fixed my character before she fell over. But let's break down why this pose feels off and how to figure out when a character is balanced or slipping into an impossible pose like this. And I already have said it out loud, so normally it's just a feeling, when it feels balanced, looks alright. Because as we could see, if there's something off, we can see how should it look like too. But I know it's not that easy every time, so let's stand a simple rule here for this. We'll need a line that helps us check whether a pose is balanced or not. This is the gravity line. It usually runs through the body and follows the direction of gravity. So think of it as the line that shows where gravity is pulling the character. If the gravity line isn't supported, the character is about to fall. In this case, my character was about to fall because nothing was underneath the gravity line to support the body's weight. So I had to adjust the pose and place at least one of the girl's legs underneath the gravity line. So there are two ways to check if your character is balanced or about to topple over. First, trust your eyes, and if you're not sure, do a quick gravity line check. Draw a vertical line in the direction gravity is pulling the character. If that line is supported, the pose works. If it isn't, the character would fall over, so you need to add support, another leg, a hand, or even an object to lean on. And the moral of the story? Trust the curve you've already drawn. If you started with a nice flowing line of action, stick with it. Adjust the limbs if you need, but don't straighten the pose. And if you want to draw characters that feel balanced and believable, there's one more important observation you shouldn't miss. I explain it in this video, so click on it and I see you there.